Hey guys, what's going on? I just got home. I just witnessed the wreck, so I got to get home, get the footage out to the cops. They asked me to send it to them, so I'm going to email it to them. I'm going to do that and then edit this video. So that's just kind of the gist of what this video is going to be about. Let's get on to it.
Are you fucking stopping? Oh shit! Shit! You fucking dumbass! You okay? Okay. You alright? Hey, I noticed back there you didn't. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, my baby.
Okay, can you try to pull forward over here for me out of the road?
My brakes just didn't.
You're okay. Just go slow here, okay? Just don't hit the gas. Just let it go by itself, okay? And then turn over into this lot. You're fine. Just turn right here and stop. You're fine. It's just your bumper, okay? It's just your tire on your bumper. Okay, right there is going to be perfect for me. So try to stop. Perfect. Throw it in park.
I didn't stop.
You're okay. Turn it off. Okay, we're going to call the cops and we're getting them on the way, okay? Yes, just a rear-ending accident. It doesn't seem like anybody's been hurt, but there's two vehicles off the side of the road right in front of Homax.
Just south of like the turn off for the golf course?
Yeah, kinda. Just down farther south, just right in the cones of the construction. We were headed north.
And nobody's injured?
It doesn't seem to be, but there is an infant in the truck that did the rear ending, so
Slow down this time and I hit him.
They need an ambulance?
I don't think so, but I mean, if you guys just want to be safe, it doesn't matter to me. But I just witnessed it, so I wanted to call and let you guys know. The truck up ahead is on the phone too, so he might be calling you guys, but
Rear-ended the other one?
that rear-ended the other one, so I think the infant's okay. We've got the truck that rear-ended the other one is leaking coolant right now out of the radiator, and it just rear-ended a trailer, truck and trailer. So the truck seems to be fine up front. The trailer's a little busted, but so I got the whole thing on video actually. If you guys need me to stay here, if not, I can be on my way. But okay. Yeah, I was just coming to talk to you guys. I got it on video. They said they'd call if they need anything, so
Okay.
Are
you like that's more of a cop thing, so
would you guys like me to stay or
until the cops get here and see what they want
Sure.
to do with you. Yeah,
Okay.
that'd be great.
Perfect.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Yeah. idiot. It's called a blinker. Dumbass. Really? Use your head. At least he said sorry, but come on, man. Now that was some shit. That was absolutely crazy, you guys. So at first, we came to that first bump. And she had stopped almost completely, and I didn't know why. I was thinking because she knew it was a big bump, you know, because they cut all the asphalt out right there, and then they leave like a 2.5 inch wall. So when you're driving over it, it's like you're running over a brick, you know, like it's rough. So you slow down really slow, but she had like stopped for some reason when everybody was still moving and the light was still green. So I was like, what the heck is going on? And then that other side where she hit that other guy is a bump that I was talking about, the like 2.5 inch wall. And I understand, in my truck I hit it and it rattles you if you're not going slow enough. So he slowed real slow because he had a trailer on him and you know, taking care of company equipment, and she just didn't even stop. I don't even think her brake lights came on. And so I don't remember though. I'm, you know, just in the moment I'm talking about this, and man, I saw it and I went, I gasped. You could hear it. I couldn't believe that it just happened. And she said her brakes weren't working, and she had a kid in the car. Like, that's ridiculous, man. You guys need to be careful. And then that guy that didn't use his blinker and came right over to me. Come on, you guys, use your blinker, be smart, use your heads, look twice. He apologized, I accept it, but quit being a dumbass.